Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer software testing interview question 156. That is, what is prototyping model? Let me answer. Prototyping model is one of the SDLC models. Under SDLC models, there are different models like waterfall model, prototyping model, iterative incremental model, spiral model, V model, agile model, RAD model, and Big Bang model. Hence, prototyping model is one of the SDLC models. What exactly is this prototyping model? So, prototyping model is an extension of the waterfall model. Both waterfall model and prototype model will look similar, guys. Okay, the waterfall model and prototyping model look similar except in design phase where prototype is created in the prototyping model. Okay, let me show you an image so that you can understand what is the exact difference between the waterfall model and prototyping model. So you see this particular model looks similar to the waterfall model, right? First requirements phase is there. After requirements phase is completed, then design phase. This section is the design phase in the prototyping model. After design phase is completed, then implementation phase. After implementation phase is completed, then testing phase. After testing phase is completed, then deployment. After deployment is completed, finally the maintenance phase, which is similar to the waterfall model, but except in the design phase, a prototype will be created. As you can see here, in the design phase of this prototyping model, a prototype is designed or developed and is sent to the client or customers for evaluation, and a feedback will be received. Okay, feedback will be received from the client or customers, and according to the feedback received from the client or customers, prototype will be updated. And this iteration will go on until the prototype is finalized. Then only the design phase will be completed, guys. Okay. So once the prototype is finalized, we'll go to the next phase, that is implementation phase. So this is what is a prototyping SDLC model. It's an extension of the waterfall model, which looks similar to the waterfall model, except in design phase where prototype is developed or designed. So here, what is the advantage of prototyping model is instead of giving the final product, okay, in waterfall model, the client or customers have to wait till the end of the phases, right? All the phases of the waterfall model to be completed to see the working product by the client or customers. But in case of prototyping model, in the design phase itself, a dummy prototype. It's not a real software, guys. Prototype means it's not a real software. It is a dummy design, you can say, which doesn't take much time for the developers to develop or design. Okay, which takes a weeks of time for the developers to develop and design. And such kind of prototype will be created first way before the actual software is developed and designed. Okay, so which actually takes a lot of time, right? Actual software to be seen by the clients or customers will take a lot of time. They have to wait till the end of the phases, which will take a lot of time. Hence, in prototyping model, the prototype, which is a dummy replica of the real software, will be created within less time and shared with the customers and clients, evaluated, and feedback will be collected, and based on that, updations will be done here itself. So that you see what is the problem, what is the advantage here uh, by by creating this prototype. What is the advantage here? We get the feedback fast, right? Clients or customers can give the feedback faster. Okay, here feedback can be collected faster, and here we develop the full and final product after the customer feedback, so that the right product is developed. Because of this feedback, because of this early feedback, the development team and testing team will work in a proper direction where proper software will be developed. Right product will be developed by the end of the prototyping model. Okay, prototyping SDLC model. Unlike waterfall model, the risk is low here, as the customers knows the product, what product is going to be developed in advance. Okay, these are all the advantages, guys. Okay, so everything is correlated here. Simple thing is, here prototype, a dummy prototype is created and evaluated, and feedback is collected early, so that the team will work in the correct direction because of the early feedback collected, right? So, and also the customer will know, because the customer or client has given a proper feedback, so they know that what software is getting developed. Okay, they have the idea what software is there, that is going to be produced by the end of this prototyping model phases. Okay, so this is what is a prototyping model, guys. So hope, guys, you understood what exactly is prototyping model in this session. That's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to answer another software testing interview question for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.